everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I am bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Couldn't do the video in the car, you guys. It has been raining all day long, and if me filming in the car, you could hear all the rain droplets. Now, I thought I did a good haul up until I started doing my breakdowns, and I am so mad because I messed up on 2 deals. Not a big deal. It still turned out to be an okay deal, but I'm just like, ah. So, I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So if you guys can do this deal today, definitely go ahead and do it. It's the Persil. These are currently on sale for $4.99. There is a $2 off coupon that does expire today. So you guys would end up using that coupon. You would pay $2.99, but then you guys will get 2,000 points when you buy one. You can pay with points. Comes out to be just 99 cents. And I love Persil. I love stocking up on Persil. So thank you, Jacqueline, for sending me those coupons. I was pretty excited for that. But yeah. Okay. So I got tons of different, I got CVS with me too because I went to CVS also. So I ended up getting these, I always check the clearance. Every single time I go to Walgreens, I always check the clearance. This lighting's just changing on me out here. But I ended up getting these little signs. One says, "You make me happy," and the other one says, "Playroom, be nice, share, and give hugs." I might do something with these with my Cricut machine. I don't think I can get these off, but I got them anyways. But these were marked down to 70% off, so they're supposed to be $1.99, and then they rang up like $7.99 or something like that. So they overrode it for $1.99. So I got those just so I can do some kind of, you know, project with my Cricut machine. So we got that. Now there's also a ton of clearance if you guys can find some clearance. This was on clearance right at one store for 39 cents. Make sure you check your dates because they had some really good deal on beef jerky, and I was gonna grab some, and then I looked at the dates and it expired a month and a half ago. So make sure you guys check a lot of the dates, especially on the expired stuff. But this was on sale for 39 cents, or on clearance for 39 cents, and this was on clearance for 49 cents. They had a couple of these. They only had one of these, but I'm like, you know what? I'm taking it. I've been really craving some caramel, so I had to go ahead and take advantage of that. And another thing, I think this was 69 cents. Husband wanted 4 of them. It is Cashew, Roca, Butter Crunch Toffee. These were originally $6.99, and they're marked down to 69 cents. And these don't expire for another year. So he's like, grab a bunch of them. And I'm like, okay, I'll grab a bunch. Now, this is a deal, and I also did make a digital video that I will post after this, but I ended up getting some cereal. You guys, you have no idea, like a year ago I was like stocking up on cereal like crazy. Lately I haven't been getting a lot of cereal lately just because I like to change it up. I'm not craving as much cereal as I was when I was pregnant, but I was excited for this deal. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need it. These were on sale for $1.99. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use. Comes out to be just $1.49. Cool thing about here, this has a bowl buddy in here. So it's basically you can have SpongeBob watch you while you're eating your Fruit Loops. So that's awesome. But yeah, I got this just because I don't have any Fruit Loops left. I don't have any Fruit Loops left. So I just wanted to get a couple shares. I've been getting some other cereal at my local grocery store, you know, when they have deals here and there, but I don't coupon. I rarely ever coupon for groceries because I can get all that stuff cheaper at other places. Garnier Fructis, these are currently two for $7. You guys want to use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would get these. Plus there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet that will apply to both of them. So you guys will get these for $1 a piece. You can sometimes get these cheaper, but usually the average price for these are $1. So if you guys need to stock up on that, go for it. I went toothpaste crazy, you guys. I really did. Okay, so I totally messed up on this because I thought there was a more limit than this, but these are the Trolley sour crunchy crawlers. So they're basically a candy shell with a chewy inside. These are on sale for 2 for $7. Now I thought you could do more than one rebate with Ibotta. There's currently a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. So I first thought, oh, that'd be kind of a cool thing, but it was only just one. So these come out to be technically $3.25 for both of these. So if you guys need some candy, if you need some Ibotta deals, definitely go for it. I feel like with CVS and Walgreens lately, they've had some really good deals with Ibotta. So I do have a couple more Ibotta deals for you guys in just a second. I ended up getting Pringles. These were 4 for $5, and there's currently a $1 off of 4 digital coupon that you guys want to clip to your card. So you'll get these for $1 a piece. I think that is a really good deal. Because the grocery store, I think they sell these for like $1.39 or something like that. So I'm like, I want to definitely get some Pringles, and you know, with everything going on, I like me some Pringles. So I also got the brushes. Now the brushes at one store are $1.19 and another store was 99 cents. So I had to go to a different store to get Persil because the store I went to today, all the Persil was gone. Somebody took everything. So I had to go to my other store that I shop on Tuesdays to see if they had Persil, and they luckily did. But yeah, somebody took everything. But the store I went to earlier today was $1.19. The store I went to later was 99 cents. So what you guys want to do, if you can do these online, go for it, but they're pretty much sold out like that. I was up last night at 11 o'clock at night, and people were already saying that they were sold out in minutes. But it's an okay deal. Like, I like it, getting that thrill of getting everything for sale for free, but I'm like, you know what, sometimes it's not. I mean, I have a ton of these brushes anyways. But these were $1.19 at 30% off, so making them 83 cents. If you guys can get the 99 cents ones, they come out to be just basically 69 cents. You want to buy 2 of them, either pay $1.66 or $1.38. But you guys will get 8,000 points for every 2 that you buy, so it either comes out to be just 66 cents at 33 cents a piece or 38 cents. So up to you guys if you want to do that deal. I was going to get more, and I'm like, you know what? I don't need to. I have so many Wet n Wild brushes, it's crazy. But I don't need them. I don't. I'm not a big... I do like Wet n Wild, but not their eyeshadow brushes. From what I've gotten over the past, I've just enjoyed, you know, the other ones. So, okay. Now, I did a couple deals that I messed up on, and I'm kind of mad, but you know what? It's okay. You know, people make mistakes. I even had it written down, and I still couldn't even get it right. So, the Renews-Its are buy 4, or are 89 cents, and there's a digital coupon for buy 4, get 2 free. Okay? I accidentally bought 5. But I think it was because I was confused with the Ibotta deal, because there's a Ibotta deal where if you buy 5, you get $2 back. So I messed up on this deal. Not a big deal. Things happen. It still turned out to be a great deal anyways. So these are, again, 89 cents. You guys want to buy 6 of them, and you want to use the buy 4, get 2 free digital coupon. So you guys will get these for $3.56. There's a $2 off $2 off Ibotta rebate. So you guys would end up getting these for $1.56 or just 26 cents a piece, which is a great deal. I have no idea. Maybe I did my math wrong on this. Hold on, I probably did my math wrong on here because I was thinking 5. Was I thinking 5? I don't know. My phone is so slow, you guys. Like, it's just, I need a new phone so badly. It lags. Please, come on. Okay, no, I did the math right. I did the math right. So, I like these. It's been a while since I've been able to stock up on them, but I'm so ticked off that I ended up getting 5 instead of the 6 for that digital coupon. But that's okay. It's okay. Now, Now, the next deal I did was the Listerine deal. Now, I did the math correctly, but I didn't grab the right product, so I'm so ticked off. So I ended up getting this. This one was $4.99. And then I also got this one. This was $2.99. I ended up using, or did I mess up? Did I? No, yeah, I did mess up. So $4.99, $2.99, and then you guys want to get another one of these at $2.99. You guys want to use 2 coupons. You can only use 1 coupon per transaction, but you can also use a digital coupon. So I used a $2 off coupon and a digital $2 off coupon. You would pay $6.97 for 3 of these items, and you get 5,000 points. Do not pay with points. It comes out to be just $1.97 or just 65 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. I am so mad that I did not figure out the math on my own. Like, I mean, I figured it out, but I'm just like, why? I've done it. People make mistakes, things happen, but you know what? It's still, I would have saved myself, for those 2 deals that I messed up on, my out-of-pocket would have been $2 cheaper. So, you know what? Not a big deal. Not crying. So I did this chic deal. Now this is a deal that you guys cannot pay with points. Now these are $5.99. I used 2 paper printable coupons that we got from our inserts, or that we got today. I don't get them anymore in my inserts. And then I also had a $3 off, $3 off, I gotta peel the sticker off. Okay, but I had a $3 off digital coupon, so you got all these. And then it said you needed to spend 20, so I had to buy 1 other item, and I ended up getting the Skintimate shaving cream. This was $3.79. So I used 3 $3 off coupons, 2 paper, 1 digital, and then I had a $1 off digital for this, or otherwise you guys can use a $1 off coupon. It comes out to be just $11.76. You get 5,000 points when you spend $20 or more. Comes out to be just $6.76 or $1.69. But I had to do 2 separate transactions because I had to do this deal without my employee discount because the deal would have been under 20 bucks. But my previous transaction, I actually got a Catalina where it says spend 20, you get 5,000 points. So I used it towards this. So it was like a double whammy. So I used it that. And the Listerine I also had to use without my discount. But I'm just so mad. Like, I'm just, oh, it just makes me mad that I messed up. Okay, toothpaste galore, you guys. I got toothpaste galore. So the Colgate toothpaste, these are $2.99. I had a 50-cent off coupon. I had a coupon, but I used it at CVS. But I used a 50-cent off digital coupon, plus I had a $1 off digital coupon. I had 2 different digitals. You guys would get these for $4.48, but then you guys will get a $4 register reward, making them just 48 cents. It's an okay deal if you guys really want to stock up on toothpaste. I usually say get toothpaste for free, but you know, with us not majority of us not couponing for 2 months, a lot of you guys probably need some of that stuff. So, yes. So now the next deal, you guys, is kind of confusing. I did the Crest Deal, and I had a $5 off of 3 digital coupon. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and I had a 7 off of 3 digital coupon. Now, I was looking at the ad, and there was some deals where you get a register reward if you buy 2, and I'm like, no, I don't want to do that deal. But this deal is still going strong. It's a whole month deal, so next week, if they have even more digitals pop up, I'm going to definitely do this. So the Pro Defense, you guys, currently is $5.99. Now, I could have done the gum detoxify, but that was $7.99. But I ended up doing this way. Yeah, so it's $5.99. So technically, you guys want to have the 7 off of 3 digital coupon, go for this, but I'm going to combine this deal all in one. So we bought 3 $5.99 toothpaste, and then I bought 5 regular toothpaste. I'm still not bringing bags to the store, so that's a good bag I can reuse. And then I bought 5 of the $2.99 toothpaste. So I ended up just getting, just got a couple different ones. And I used a 3 off of 2, and then I also had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that I used for these, okay? So, after all 8 sticks of toothpaste, you guys, it's crazy, 8 things of toothpaste, it comes out to be $17.92. Yeah, 18 bucks literally for toothpaste. That's crazy. But you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta times 3 for the Pro Defense. So you guys will get $2 back for these. And then every 2 toothpaste that you buy, since I bought 8, you guys get 4,000 points. So that's 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. So technically, you guys, it comes out to be a $4.08 moneymaker. You are pretty much ready to go with toothpaste if you guys need to stock up on toothpaste. So that was a pretty good deal if you guys can do that. I was just like, oh, should I do it? I'm like, yep, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. So pretty excited for that. That's where my big money maker came to make my pocket lower out of pocket, final. But that was everything that I got. The nice bags are currently on sale for $2.79. It's buy one, get 2 free. They come out to be just 93 cents a piece. The chips are on sale right now for $1.88 if you guys need some chips. And then they got 7-Up, ginger ale, or Canada Dry, A&W, 7-Up, all that stuff. Those are 3 for $7.99. Comes out to be just $2.66. I did do some other digital deals that you guys definitely want to check out when I post that video. Let me know if you guys continue doing the digital deals, because some people, I've been really trying to push digital coupons. I feel like with this whole pandemic right now, everything going on, I think paper coupons are still good, but I don't think people are going to go as crazy because you don't want to be touching stuff here and there. So I'm really going to be pushing digitals lately just because I feel like, it's a better time to do it. But before I paid with points, my total came to $57.41. I ended up doing 3 transactions out of all that stuff. I ended up getting $37.80 back with points. I was supposed to get an additional 5 for the Listerine, but I messed up with that deal. But $37.80, I ended up only getting a $4 register reward, and then I got $8.75 back with Ibotta. I got the why did I get $8? Oh yeah, so I got the two, so 3 of the 2s for the Crest, and I got another $2 for the Renews-Its, and then I got 75 cents for the trolleys, if you guys needed that. So my grand total technically came to $6.86. I got 41 items for $6.86. I think that's a good deal. If I didn't mess up and I got the correct items, my grand total technically would have been $4.10, but I'm not complaining. I think I did a wonderful deal, and I'm so excited that I got, toothpaste as a moneymaker. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the digital deals. I did post a couple other deals that I did not physically do. But again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.